In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Twitch chat slow mode. Let's get started. First, launch your Twitch app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once we're logged in, click on this plus option given at the bottom middle. Now here, you're going to find the option of Create Dashboard. Click on that. Now click on the option Stream Manager. Here, you're going to find your live chat panel. Click inside the chat box and in the message field type /slow followed by the number of seconds you want viewers to wait between sending messages. For example, type /slow 15 seconds to enable a 15-second cooldown between chat messages. Press enter to send the command and slow mode will be activated immediately, helping reduce spam and making chat easier to manage during busy streams. If you ever want to change delay, simply enter the command again with a different number of seconds or disable it by typing /slow off, and that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.